The 8 parts of speech. Noun. A word used as name of person, place, or thing. Example: Everest, London, Mumbai, New York, Kathleen, and Joseph. There are 4 types of nouns. Proper noun. Proper noun, word used as name of a particular person, place, or thing. Example: Everest, London, Mumbai, and New York. Common noun. Name given in a common to every person or thing of same class or kind. Example: boy, tree, horse, king, and town. Collective noun. Name of a group of person or things taken as a single whole. Example: crowd, army, team, family, assembly, and committee. Abstract noun. Name of quality, state, or action of a person or thing. Example: goodness, kindness, slavery, poverty, laughter, theft, and childhood. Material noun. Name of materials out of which things are made. Example: gold, wood, stone, iron, wool, bronze, and clay. The second part of speech is pronoun. Pronouns are words used instead of a noun. Example: Harry is a good boy. He rises early in the morning. He is the pronoun used instead of Harry. There are 4 types of pronouns. Number 1 is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Example: who are you? Who, what, which, whom, and whose, and etc. Relative pronoun. Words used as such: who, what, which, that, etc. are called relative pronouns, since they expresses relation between 2 sentences or phrases. Example: I saw an old man. He was too weak to walk. I saw an old man who was too weak to walk. Who is the relative pronoun added to above sentence. This is what I expected. The third part of speech is adjectives. Describes or gives information about nouns or pronouns. Example: the gray dog barked. The adjective gray describes the noun dog. There are different types of adjectives in the English language. Number 1 is numeric. Example: 6, 101. Quantitative. Example: more, all, some, half, more than enough. Qualitative. Example: color, size, smell, etc. Possessive. Example: my, his, their, and your. Interrogative. Example: which, whose, and what. Demonstrative. Example: these, that, those, and these. Verb is a word which tells us what a person or a thing is doing. Verbs shows an action verb. There are 2 types of verb. Transitive verb. A verb which has an object is called a transitive verb. Sometimes transitive verb may have 2 objects. Example: the cow give us milk. The cow give us what? Milk. To whom? Asked. Intransitive verb. A verb which has no object is called an intransitive verb. Example: he plays only on Sundays. He fought bravely. Adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Example: the old man walked slowly. Julie writes very carefully. There are types of adverbs. Adverb of time. If a verb answers for question when, then the adverb shows the action of the time of action. Example: he left the place a few minutes ago. He will soon come back. Adverb of place. If a verb answers for question where, then the adverb shows the place of an action. Example, I met him in the theater. This is the place where the tree stood. Adverb of number. In a verb answers for question how often, then the adverb shows the number of the action. Example, the comet appears once in several years. That poor man is always happy. Adverb of manner. If a verb answers for question how or in what manner, then it shows the condition of a verb. He was seriously injured. Johnny writes very carefully. Adverb of degree or quantity. If a verb answers for question how much or in what. Example, the sky is very cloudy. She sings pretty well. Adverb of reason. If a verb explains the reason for the action, then quote adverb of reason. Example, as he was not well, therefore he returned home. Conjunction is a word which joins together words or sentences. Example, and, as, but, after, if, whether, then, when, that, though, for, yet, why, unless, while, and lest. There are types of conjunction. Phrase conjunctions. When phrase used as conjunction, they are called phrase conjunction. Example, as soon as he saw his father, he threw the cigarette away. Coordinating conjunctions. A conjunction that joins together sentences, clauses, or words of equal rank is called a coordinating conjunction. Example, the idol is made of bronze and the toy is made of wood. Please take coffee or tea, do or die. Subordinating conjunctions. A conjunction that joins a clause to the main clause in a sentence is called subordinating conjunctions. Example, he was absent because he was ill. Strike when the iron is hot. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other word in the sentence. Example, the clock is on the wall. The cow is grazing in the field. He is angry with you. There are sample usage of some prepositions between and among. We use between and while saying about more than two person or thing. We use among. Example, two brothers shared the apple between themselves. I sat between Nancy and Julie. Beside and besides. Besides means by the side of. Besides means in addition to. My house is beside the river. He plays football besides badminton. By and with. When we say about a person who does the action, we use by. When to say about something nearby or something along with us, we use with. Example, a snake was killed by the boy. I am writing with my pen. In and at. In is used along with countries, places, or cities. At is used along with names of towns, small villages, and etc. Example, my brother lives in America. The classes will begin at 10 o'clock a.m. Sometimes, in is also used to indicate period of time. He came in time. On and upon. When we say about something at rest, we use on. When we say about something that is not at rest, we use upon. The clock is on the wall. The tiger is sprung upon a deer. Interjection. A word that expresses a strong feeling or emotion. These are the 8 parts of speech. Goodbye.